Hello, my name is Leon and I'm creating an experiment which is creating a tornado. I don't have the ingredients all for it, so I'll improvise by using this container. So first you have to put the water in. Then squirt washing liquid into it. This is a replacement because I don't have the glitter, so instead I'll use magic powder. Then you just stir it to make the tornado effect. Magic powder was not successful, so for our second attempt, we will just do plain water with washing up liquid. I wonder if this could actually survive this tornado. So this experiment wasn't as successful as I thought. I hope you enjoyed this experiment that we did so much as I did. Thanks for watching. Bye.